So we're going to speak a little bit about leafy greens this morning, what their benefits are. But before we get into the leafy greens, I really just want to talk just generally about vitamins and minerals. So we're going into the fall months. We're quickly going to get into the winter months because, the year just goes by very, very fast. Unfortunately, there's a lot of illnesses. There's a lot of viruses around, COVID's back. A lot of people are getting that and just, the flu season started early already. And really that all we can do to help support ourselves, to help, keep us healthy and help, us get through these viruses and through these illnesses is just keeping and supporting our immune system. And so taking vitamins and minerals, so whether that's through supplements or through food, right? We always say food is medicine. That's really what we want to focus on. I just really want everyone to really be cognizant about consuming foods that are nutrient dense in vitamins and minerals and different vitamins or minerals, and eating different color fruits and vegetables and whole grains, because this is really what's going to give us that variety of vitamins and minerals that will help support our immune system to help get us through these months and, any illnesses that we may not get. Just a little bit about leafy greens. So leafy greens are very, very important. I also love leafy greens for other reasons because they're so easy to just throw into eggs and soups and stews and sauces. And it's just a really great way to boost up the nutrients in those vehicles and those foods. They're rich in vitamins and minerals, specifically rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, iron, which is very, very important, especially for women. Magnesium, potassium, and calcium. Calcium is going to also be very important for women because we need calcium to help our bones stay strong and to prevent osteoporosis, which unfortunately is pretty common in women as we age. Then it also helps to support vision and skin health. It also bolsters our immune system and it helps us maintain a healthy weight. It's very full in fiber, very, very rich in fiber, I should say. And that is going to help us maintain a healthy weight, help us, be regular going to the bathroom, things of that sort that all support healthy weight maintenance. And also, as I mentioned before, it is high in antioxidants. It is linked to reducing the risk of cancer, heart disease, and other unwanted illnesses. So really, really important to get those leafy greens in. As I mentioned, it's really easy to throw it into an omelet. Really easy to throw it into pastas, into sauces, stews, marinades for poultry and fish. They're super, super delicious as well. There's a lot that we can do. And they can be used as a vehicle itself for, with salad dressings and salads and things of that sort.